Hi bestie, welcome to another video on my channel, and today we have a hairstyling video. I'm going to be recreating this hairstyle from Pinterest. I have my rat tail comb and my white tooth comb with me, and together we are going to tame this bush on my head. Okay, so let's get started. So following the slanting pattern of the inspo, I'm going to make this side part from the side of my head all the way down to the back. I'm going to try my best to make this as straight as possible, because I want people to look at my hair and be like, oh my gosh, where did you get your hair done? And I'll be like, I did it myself. And they'll be like, oh my god, you really did? And I'm like, yeah, I really did, you know what I'm saying? But if the parts are crooked, then it's clear. They'll be like, oh, okay, I thought so. I don't want that. I want amazement. I want awe. I want wow, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try my best and make sure that this parting is as straight as possible. My hair is really soft and it likes to curl in on itself, so no matter how stretched it is when I'm starting, it always curls up and finds a way to be so annoying when I am parting. But I will persevere and I will ride through the pain, and this hairstyle is going to come out nice by force. So once I'm done with the part and I'm satisfied, I've checked it out, it's all right, then I'm going to pack the rest of my hair out of the way. And once my hair is out of the way, I'm going to make sure that I detangle thoroughly. Okay, heavy on the thoroughly, because when it comes to cornrows, it's a continuous braid. So if your hair is not properly detangled, you're going to run into issues. You're going to cause yourself a lot of unnecessary breakage, and it's not pretty. So make sure you detangle your hair as thoroughly as possible. Now usually I just finger detangle, but because I am doing cornrows today, I broke out my white tooth comb. That's how serious this is. So please make sure you detangle your hair as thoroughly as possible. Heck, if you have a detangling brush, a tangle teaser, this is the time to whip it out, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now that I'm done with the detangling, it is the moment of truth, you know what I'm saying? Let us now begin what we have come into the room to do. Okay, so we're starting the cornrows. I like to make sure that I am gripping as tightly but as gently as possible. Now what I mean by tightly and gently is like tight enough for it to be firm, but not so tight that when I'm done I'll not be able to laugh again. See, I take my facial expressions very seriously, and that's why when I'm braiding, especially across the front of my head where I'm dealing a lot with my edges, I like to make facial expressions. Now the wincing that you're seeing on my face, I'm not actually in pain or anything. I'm just squeezing my face so that I'm allowing space for movement of my facial muscles. So you'll see that by the time I am done, right, with the cornrows, I will be able to laugh, I'll be able to smile, I'll be able to do my facial expressions without feeling any serious pain. But the hair still looks really neat and firm. So that's essentially what I mean by grip it tightly but gently, right? So tight enough for it to be firm, but gentle enough that you can still express emotions from your face when you're done. Another thing about cornrows, they are disrespectful. They are very disrespectful. They will let you know that you are not fit. They will let you know that your arm muscles are weak. Because why am I leaning back every 2 seconds? Why are my arms already in pain and I'm just on the first cornrow? I am annoyed. I am annoyed. It's not showing, but I am very annoyed. Cornrows will humble you. They will let you know that you are weak. They will let you know that you've got no strength in your arms. But I mean, come on, it's worth it, because look at that cornrow. Look how neat it is. Oh my goodness. And one thing I really love about my fake hair is that I like to end it in a twist and not a braid. I hate braids. I find them very hard to take down. But with twist, there's a way I twist loosely so that the ends of my cornrows now look fat. They look thick, you know what I'm saying? They look nice and juicy. So yeah, I like to end my cornrows in a twist. I mean, come on, look at that. Look, just come on. Give it a peep. Give it a peep, honey. Yes.
for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no, no. I want to make you. Oh, no. I want to make you dance. Oh, no, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no, no. I want to make you. Pull over. Come on, pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand. So your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know. Say me there for you, cara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never tried it for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without the way that you want, make tell me with this all thing, I never tried it, baby. This love will make me the starting. No, no. I'm gonna tell me what's up in God. I'm gonna make me that, baby. I'm gonna get I wanna make you. Baby, I feel like making you. Oh, baby, oh, no, no.
OMG, girl, we are done. Can you believe it? Now, you see why I said I like to end my cornrows in twists. Sure, you see how dreasy those ends look. I mean, come on. Now, the parts were not exactly as as crisp as I would like, but could be worse. I think I tried. So of course I'm gonna add some finishing touches. This is my heat shield styling mousse from Shiny Organics. I'm gonna take a few pumps of it and apply it all over the top of the cornrows, just to tame any flyaways and let the hair look even more sleek and shiny. Oh my gosh, the shine that this product gives my hair is insane. Then of course we've got this edge control, also from Shiny Organics. I love their edge control because you can actually see the ingredients inside. Not like all these edge controls that you don't even know what you're putting on your hair. Okay, this one has got MSM, it's got keratin, hair strengthening ingredients, it's got glycerin for moisture, so like your edges be sleek but they be healthy. If you're looking for edge control that will not chop your edges away eventually, this is my go-to and I would recommend this to anybody. Now I know it's looking a bit white, but trust me, everything is going to clear. It doesn't leave a white cast. And this, my darling, is the finished look. I mean, give it up. Give it up for your girl. She tried. She killed it. Come on. See, in this economy now, you cannot be paying hairdresser. Learn how to do your hair yourself, okay? So share this tutorial with anyone and everyone, all right? Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.